Hey again, everybody. It is Thursday morning, May 15th, looking at our primary window opportunity today on the MP Master Planet ribbon on the rainbow. We've got the white window here. It's coming in about 8:49 or so. It's going to run till about 1:30. And then you can see on the right, I've got the Astro Excel chart, and I've got the same area highlighted in the price action panel above. So the highlight here that you see on the rainbow chart on the left is the same as what you see on the Astro Excel chart on the right. So what I'm looking at here, what I typically do with the rainbow chart here, which is I've got the rainbow, the master planet, and the pH on here. I mark out the pH. I have not done the pivot points yet, so you always want to add those in from the overnight. And then I do the standard 5. There's just the one in the window, the end of the morning segment on pH 3 right here. And that overlaps with this highlighted area that I've got here. And what that is, that's where the moon is bottoming on the blue line right here. See, we've got the blue line bottoming here. That's an important potential turning point in that spot. So I've got the same things marked on both charts. So then what I'm doing, I'm also picking up what I typically do on the rainbow, which I've showed many times, in the A1 to A6 block. I'm looking for the white over green or the green over white and marking those points out with the blue line. And then what I'm doing over here, I'm confirming those areas with the gray line. So I want to see a gray line spike peak or spike minimum. And then we're going to align those points with the rainbow A1 to A6 panel, the white over green and green over white. Remember, we pair A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, and A6. Notice right here where my cursor is, I've got green over white on A3, A4. So that's a key one that we're going to be looking at. And then the A3 over A4, white over green, which is near the end of that highlighted area there. So I look for those. Those are key points. And I look for the overlap. And we're going to get a lot of pivots intraday on these points. These are seriously good timing indications. You're going to see that the market is going to bounce up and down, back and forth between these points. So really great intraday timing tool. Now we can also bring the Cosmo, and I look at the Cosmo here with the pH chart. I'm going to raise that up a bit now. So you can see the two Cosmo lines, the blue line above and the green line below. You can see that one is inverted from the other. There's also this other line on here. So these are all important. So just staying in this area, what are we looking at in this area? The key points in this area would be right at the beginning, where the Cosmo peaks here is right at the beginning of the window. And then where we've got this bottom here, that's an important point. I didn't mark it on the chart, but I'm just going to point it out here in this video. Then notice where we get the bottoming out here on the blue, and the inverted top on the green is right in the middle of that blue line low from the Astro Excel chart. And then as we move into the afternoon, you can see right here, right around noon, we've got this big adjustment on energy. That is a key point right there where the blue line peaks and drops. Then when we hit this low right here, that's another key point. And then again, we've got this strong energy move push up to this peak right at 1 o'clock. So 12 o'clock and 1 o'clock are going to be very key there. And then that midpoint at the bottom of that, right around there at 12, so like 12, 12:30, 1 o'clock, going to be very strong potential turns today as well. Now, looking into the afternoon further, we've got this key bump right here at 1431 on the Cosmo, and then this bump right here where the additional line here, the whitish gray line, bottoms out at 1404. So we've got a lot going on there today. It's a wide window. It's a 4.5 hour window, but this is going to pretty much lock down those turning points in that time. So what I like to do is get overlaps on the chart. I'll put everything on the rainbow chart and just watch it from there. I have to mark those key Cosmo points on here yet, but I'm going to do that when I'm done with the video. But anyhow, that's going to really get you the key timing for the day in that 9 to 1:30 time frame.